Hello, I'm Jeff Erickson.
And I'm Meredith Cimino, and we're the proud local owners of Citywide of Omaha.
As a born and raised Nebraskan, I know how much we value hard work and standing by our word. So when we say we are committed to making your life easier when it comes to commercial building maintenance, you can count on us.
We make your life easier by saving you the time and trouble that comes from finding and managing the many vendors needed to service your commercial facility. Citywide has decades of experience and the resources to provide you with over 20 commercial building maintenance solutions, while letting you focus on all the other parts of your busy job.
We would love to learn about your particular situation. In the meantime, here's a little more about how Citywide helps save time and solve problems.
Citywide is your locally owned building maintenance solution. We clean over 100 million square feet per day, which translates into more than 20,000 hours of maintenance and janitorial services every night. Citywide manages building maintenance services for more than 4,000 facilities nationwide. Our average client relationship lasts at least 8 years, and our average client retention rate is greater than 90%. Janitorial services is our specialty, but we can help with anything from lawn and landscaping to handyman services to parking lot sweeping and striping and so much more. On average, we provide 4.6 services per client. Fewer vendors means fewer salespeople and fewer invoices. And more time to focus on what you do best. Our mission is to provide world-class building maintenance solutions that save time and solve problems. And we've been doing that since 1961. With more than 50 years in business, we have the experience you can count on. We are Citywide Maintenance, and we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now is the time to add Citywide to your facilities management team.